Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. So students, yesterday we learned the concepts of prefixes and suffixes, and we learned that prefixes are the words which are added to the beginning of any word. For example, in the word prehistoric, pre means before and historic means related to history. So what do the word prehistoric means? It means before history. And next is the word impossible. In the word impossible, im means not and impossible means not possible. So next is suffixes. Suffixes are the words which are added to the end of any word to make a new word. For example, wireless. Less means without. So wireless means without wire. Hopeless means without hope. So now we have to solve the exercise page number 4 of this chapter. Okay, so first of all is question number 2, words with less. So now open your books to read the question and then solve it. Okay? Okay, so here is your book. Read the question number 2. Which 3 words below can have less added to the end of them? Use a dictionary to help you. So there are 5 words given: hope, breed, fact, sleep and harm. We have to find the words with which we can add less. So now look at the board. We can add the word less with the words hope so that it becomes hopeless, sleep will become sleepless and harm will become harmless. We cannot add the word less with the other 2 words breed and fact. So now question number 3, you have to make some words which end with able and able. Okay, so look at the question. Write 2 words that end with suffixes able and able. We have to write 2 words which end with these words. Okay? Okay, so the words which end with able are suitable and readable. And the words which end with able are edible and incredible. Students, you have to write this on your notebooks as a homework. Okay? So next is question number 4, words ending with shan sound. So let's look at the book to read the question. Okay, so the question is complete these words ending with shan sound with one of the following endings. If you are not sure, use a dictionary to help you. So we are given some ending words like CIAN, SSION, TION. Okay, so all these words are pronounced as shan. We have to add them at the last of these words to make a new word. Okay, so the first is MUSI. When we add CIAN with it, it becomes musician. Number B, DIREC. When we add TION with it, it becomes direction. Next, POSSE. When we add SSION with it, it becomes possession. D, when we add TION with CORREC, it becomes correction. So all these words end with the shan sound. Okay, so next is question number 5. Look at the question. Okay, so the question is, here are the definition and root words of some words which end with the shan sound. Write down the words which are being described. So we have to describe the words which these definitions define. Okay, so the first definition given on the book is a person who fixes electrical things. So electric is the root word. What can be the new word from it? Electrician. So the electrician is the person who fixes electrical things. So next is a place, and the root word is locate. We have to make the word from locate, so the word will be location. A place is also called a location. Okay, so next definition is another word for an informal debate. So the root word given is discuss. So the new word will be discussion. Discussion is also called an informal debate. Solve this on your books in neat and clean writing and follow the Nelson font. Okay students, so this is how you will solve the exercise on your books. First of all, write the date and day and classwork at the top of the page. And then start solving the exercise like this. I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.